Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of PN Amarse High School. I'm your computer teacher Dhanvanti Mengrajani. Today I explain you chapter number 1, creating a HTML form using a composer. Before starting HTML form, first of all we will learn about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web page. HTML is a computer language used for creation of a website. A website can be composed of different elements such as text, images, videos, graphics, tables or link, like concrete that hold a brick with one another to build the structure of our house. HTML is the virtual concrete through which holds and orders all the elements, allowing to show in the web browser this union as a web page. All HTML documents are divided into two main parts, the head and the body. To build any web page, you will need four primary tags: HTML tags, head tag, title tag, and body tag. These are all container tags and must appear as a pair with a beginning and ending. We can write this coding any text editor, example Notepad and WordPad in Windows, and save it with extension of .html. Now move to our main topic, HTML forms. Form is the shape, visual appearance or configuration of an object. Form also refer to a document which may be printed, electronic, with spaces in which to write or enter data. If you want to open an email account or register on a social media or register on an online shopping website, you have to enter your personal details in a form. In order to obtain such information on internet, HTML forms are used. A form in HTML is container used to collect different kind of input from the user. Container means one kind of a box or jar for holding goods. Exactly, form also stores the data of the user. HTML form contains elements like label, checkbox, text input fields, radio button, submit button, reset button, and many more. These elements are used to enter the data as well as validate the data within the form. Validate means to check the data of the form. Let's understand about the elements used to create HTML form. Form, input, text area, select an option. First element of HTML forms is form elements. The form element is used to create an HTML form. Form element act as a container for all the elements used in the form. The opening form and the closing form is used to implement form element. In this example, form action is com.html, means file is saved with name of com. Method is post. Post method I will explain you later. Then comes input elements, means text, radio button, checkbox, submit, and at last ending of a form tag. Form element uses two attributes, first one action attribute, second one method attribute. The HTML action attribute is used to specify where the form data is to be sent to the server after submission of form. It takes a file name as a value. It is used to specify the URL of the document where the data to be sent after the submission of the form. The second HTML attribute is method attribute. The HTML method attribute is used to specify the HTTP method used to send data while submitting the form. There are two kinds of HTTP method, which are GET and POST. The method attribute can be used with the form element. First, GET. In the GET method, after the submission of the form value will be visible in the address bar of the new browser tab. It has limited size of about 3000 characters. It is only useful for non-secure data, not for sensitive information. Second one, post. In the post method, after the submission of the form value will not be visible in the address bar of the new browser tab as it was visible in the GET method. It appends form data inside the body of the HTTP request. It has a no size limitation. Thank you, dear student. I hope you have understand till here. In my next video, I will come with other topics.